Hey YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the 73 questions tag, or get to know me tag. I started doing this in Tahoe, but I got distracted and so I didn't get to finish. Here's a quick glimpse. These days I'm most excited about just to... So yeah, as you can tell, I didn't get to finish. I got disrupted. I thought I'd do it right now. This is the one I found online, 73 questions tag from Vogue. So let's start. Number 1, what's the best thing that has happened to you this month? I want to say celebrating my daughter's 7th birthday. It was chill and relaxing, and it was just everything I could ask for, because she was so thankful and happy just for having a small intimate celebration, and she wasn't like being a diva about it, because previous past we did have like more presents or more stuff for her and such, but she was really grateful for what she has. 2, what's the best thing that has happened to you this year? Since it is a new year, I can't say so far, but the best thing that has happened to me in the previous year, 2017, is that getting my place renovated. So it is completely renovated, and it is the way I like it, with the little touches of me all over the place and touches of Jules too, and we just now feel a lot more comfortable because it is our version of how we want our home to be. I don't know if you guys know, but if you guys follow me on my vlog or Snapchat or anything, we basically live in an in-law to his parents upstairs. So we're on the bottom floor and we got to do our whole floor, which I'm very grateful for. 3, what's the best thing ever? Just having my own little family and just having the time and quality time with my family. That's all I can ask for. 4, what's your favorite season? My favorite season would be fall. Number 5, what's your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday would be Halloween. Number 6, would you ever live in a big city? I already live in a city. It literally is not a big city, but it is a big city for what you know of it. So you guys didn't know, I do live in SF. Expensive. Number 7, what's your favorite ice cream? I don't eat ice cream very much just because I'm lactose, but if I were to choose, would be vanilla bean. I'm very simple, just vanilla bean. Number 8, do you untie your shoes when you take them off? Most of my shoes don't have laces nowadays. I wear like zip up boots or slip on tennis shoes. So I guess you can say no, I don't untie them before I take them off, which my daughter does too. Number 9, what's your favorite dessert? We have to be cake. Yeah, cake. And not like the American cake. I like the Asian cakes, like the Chinese fluffy cake where it's light and airy. I love the typical Chinese Asian market sponge cake, or like the fruit cake. Yeah, that's my jam. And I don't ever get it often. Like, I wish for it every year, but for some reason I never get a cake for that. Like, I don't get that specific cake, which is very funny to me. And that leads to number 10, cake or pie? Cake, hello. 11, what's your least favorite food? Bitter melon. If you guys never had it, it is really great for you. It's great for your health. In my culture, we eat a lot of bitter melon, or at least my mom and dad does, and they try to enforce it on us, and I do not like it at all. It's just like eating literally a bitter melon. Number 12, what's your favorite condiment? Will have to be like pepper. Will that count? That doesn't count, maybe. Ketchup? Yeah. Number 13, it's brunch. What do you eat? I always get over medium eggs, bacon, hash browns, and sourdough toast, if not pancakes. That's my go-to. 14, what's your favorite color? Purple, my favorite color. 15, what color dress did you wear to your prom? If you want to say senior year prom from my school, I wore like this baby blue turquoise. Not really turquoise, but more like a baby blue color. 16, blow dry or air dry? Blow dry. 17, do you think you're strong? If you mean like physically strong, I can if I put my mind to it. And if you mean mentally, yeah. 18, who's a person you love to have coffee with? Anyone who knows how to drink coffee. 19, when was the last time you cried? I want to say like a couple days ago. Or actually no, yesterday, because I watched Dog's Purpose and I never seen that movie and it made me cry. I knew it was gonna be a crying movie, and I really felt like a crying movie because I don't cry very often, and that really gave me some waterworks. 20, who's the last person you texted? My husband. 21, Twitter or Instagram? It's a tough one. I used to would have said Twitter, but now I think I want to say Instagram. 22. Who should everyone follow right now? Do you need social media? I've really been into any like home decor, so any home decor, follow them, because yeah, they just have awesome stuff. 23. Have you ever had anything stolen from you? Yeah, can you believe it? I got in 8th grade, I put this high-tech calculator. I think I got it from my brother because he had an old one he don't use anymore and it was still expensive. I put it in my locker with like another new stapler and binder and such. And when I come back after a period, it's like gone. Someone took my calculator and I was really upset and sad. I'm just like, are you joking? Like, seriously? 24. Favorite country you visited? I don't travel that much to different countries, so I want to say so far my favorite country I visited will be like Canada, just because it's so chill there. I feel like when I visited back in 2000, it was very chill. This was like 18 years ago. 25. Last country you visited? I want to say it was China. 26. Country you wish to visit? Gizmo, are you okay? Gizmo? Ever since we had hardwood floor, he's like struggling to get under my bed. It's funny. No. Country you wish to visit? Anywhere I just want to go Europe. 27. First pet. It was my sister's Maltese called Muffin. 28. Favorite Disney animal? Ooh, I never thought about that. Disney animal. I think I really like Miss from Tangled because he's so handy and so useful and protective. 29. What are you doing tomorrow? Tomorrow is Sunday. Probably just laundry. 30. What are you most excited about in life right now? I'm most excited about in life right now is just being blessed with time, quality time with my family. 31. What book are you reading right now? I'm reading actually Lindy Sang's book, Bub's Beauty, her book, on my Amazon Kindle. 32. A book you read because everyone else was reading it. Harry Potter. 33. What are you completely bored of right now? The ridiculous traffic we have in the city. I don't understand. Like, it's just like, do you not know how to drive? Green means go, red means stop, yellow means slow down. Like, you make up your mind, you're gonna slow down, you're gonna go, you're gonna run it. It's just simple 3 lights, people. 34. What's your favorite beverage? I think my favorite beverage would have to be ginger ale. I can always, wherever I am, I can go for ginger ale. Well, that excludes coffee, right? So ginger ale. What's your favorite cocktail? I don't really drink alcohol that much because I'm allergic. But if I have to, probably amaretto sour. 36. What would you order at McDonald's drive-thru? I usually always, if I go to McDonald's, I order chicken nuggets and fries. 37. What's one thing you still have from your childhood? I want to say I had the blanket I had from my childhood, but I recently threw it away. I want to say like end of last year, so nothing. Photo. 38. What's your favorite current TV show? I am really obsessed with Peaky Blinders. It's technically not on like television, it's on Netflix or on the British channel, but I am obsessed with that. It's really good. If you've never seen it, go on your Netflix account or get Netflix for a month and watch it, binge watch it. They have like 4 seasons now right now, I think. Each episode is like an hour long and it's about like gangsters and importing goods, and just it's a lot of swag in there and I love it. 39. What's the movie that made you cry? So the movie that made me really cry was Coco. 40. What do you miss the most? I miss the no traffic days in the city, where it's like specific hours of the day where it is traffic, versus now it's like throughout the day is always traffic, especially weekends, like traffic from when you wake up till nighttime. 41. What's something you can't do? I don't know, like lift the tractor? I don't get that. 42. What are your nicknames? Believe it or not, my nicknames were DJ Evo and something really silly for my family. It's called E-Gay. That's just something they came up with when I was little. 43. What makes you laugh a lot? Funny people. Anyone who's funny and not trying too hard to be funny, it's hilarious. 44. Heels or flats? Neither. Does tennis shoes count? 45. What's the most adventurous thing you've done? Honestly, I'm not that spontaneous of a person, so the most adventurous thing I've done, honestly, is just jet skiing. 46. What's one thing you wanted to do but been scared of? I really want to bungee jumping or skydiving. It looks so like fun and the thrill of it, but I'm scared of heights and I'm scared to do that. I want to. I don't know. 47. What's the thing you're most proud of? I'm most proud of having Illy in my life, and giving birth to her was definitely out of this world. It's magical. 48, what did you want to do with your life at age 5? I don't know. Have real snacks during snack time at school? Age 5? Dang. 49, dogs or cats? Dogs. I'm allergic to cat hair and I'm allergic to dander. I have a dog myself, so I love dogs. 50, what's the most important thing someone can learn? I think everything you learn in life is important, just because it all leads up to something better and bigger and greater. I really don't have a specific answer for you guys, but I feel like everything you learn in life is definitely important. 51, bath or shower? Shower. I do like a good bath, but shower is where it's at to clean. Bath is where it's at to relax. 52, mountain, hideaway, or beach house? Ooh, it's hard to say because I'm a really weird person because mountains, they are high, so I'm scared of heights. And beach house, I don't like sand that much because it's so messy and I don't do well with heat, so I probably have to go with mountain, hideaway. 53, what's your favorite scented candle? Anything floral and fresh. 54, if you could spend 3 months anywhere, where would it be? I want to say maybe Italy, maybe. 55, are you messy or neat? I'm pretty neat. I can be messy, but I'm mostly neat. 56, what's the first thing you do each morning? Brush my teeth. I have to right away. 57, what do you have for breakfast? Today, I had a bagel, cream cheese, and a cup of tea. 58, what's the last thing you do before you go to bed? Check my social media. 59, what's one skill you wish you had? I know I'm gonna get a lot of bash on this, but I wish I knew how to swim. I said it there. I don't know how to swim. I know. The whole world's made of water. I know the whole spiel. Everyone tells me. You don't have to tell me. Okay. 60. What's your favorite pizza? I want to say pepperoni, mushroom, bell pepper, onion. That would be like my go-to pizza usually. 61. Describe your ideal man in 3 words. Honest, funny, loyal. 62. Who was the last person you spoke to on the phone? My husband. 63. At what age were you happiest? Probably when I was 21 and gave birth to Illy and have Illy in my life. That was the happiest time. 64. What's the last thing you ate? Like I said, bagel, cream cheese, and a cup of tea. 65. Where do you go when you need to be alone? I usually go to my room, which is here, me and Jules' room, and sometimes I just like to be alone, and he knows to give me my space, which is really sweet, and so does Illy. 66. What's the biggest thing on your mind right now? I need to edit the rest of the vlogs and upload all of them before YouTube take off all the monetization, because my YouTube vlog channel isn't up to par qualifications to have monetized videos anymore, which is really upsetting. So I'm like kind of stressed out about that and edit all those vlogs I had in Tahoe. 67. What's the best activity to do at home on a rainy day? Drink hot fluids like soup or tea or coffee. Enjoy a nice movie with some blankets with your family and your loved ones. 68. What are you listening to right now? I am currently listening to Jay Chow. I don't know what the song's called. It's all in Chinese, but I've been really feeling my Chinese side of music. 69. On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you with life right now? I want to say I am 10 out of 10. Like, I'm the happiest I can be. Like, I have everything I need in life, everything I want in life. I don't really have anything else that I would need to feel complete, because I feel complete right now. And I know it's hard to say for a lot of people. That's why I feel very blessed and very grateful to have what I have and who I'm with. 70. What's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten? Raccoon. Believe it or not, when I was a child, and like in China, that's like they eat some weird stuff over there, and I remember eating a raccoon. That, oh, do not ever eat that. Oh god, it's disgusting. I only tried a little bite and I spat it back out. It's so nasty. What you smell is what you eat. Like literally, that's how it was. The food, when you ate it, it smelled just, it tastes just like how it smelled. Anyway, 71. Starter or dessert? Dessert. 72. Is there a dessert you don't like? I'm not a fan of flan. 73. What is the furthest you have been from home? China. And that was the last question. So I hope you guys enjoyed this long video of get to know me, 73 questions from Vogue. But yeah, I hope everyone does this video. It's actually really nice to get to know people again and start off the new year right. So much going on in the world right now, and let's just spread some positivity and share the little things that count, and let's try to just enjoy life together. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video, and excuse my voice, I am nasally because I'm getting over a cold, but I will see you guys later. Have a wonderful day, and yeah, if you haven't seen my vlog, I will link it right here so you see it. I'll see you guys later.